I recently stayed at the Assembly Leicester Square, and I am going to give my honest thoughts about it. For the best price for this hotel, check out the links in the description.
Arrival and check-in experience.
When we arrived, the 24-hour front desk made checking in super easy, even though we got there a bit late. The staff were really welcoming and helpful, which was a great start to our stay. We were able to store our luggage without any hassle, which was a huge plus since we wanted to explore right away. Everything felt smooth and efficient, getting us excited for our London adventure. Room, bathroom, and the amenities. The room was super clean and modern, even if it was a bit compact, which is totally fine for central London. The private bathroom was a highlight, especially the spacious shower with great water pressure. Seriously, it was one of the best. I loved that it had air conditioning, which kept things super comfy, and the soundproofing was awesome, so I barely heard any city noise. Plus, having free toiletries and fresh towels always makes a stay feel more luxurious.
The location and surroundings.
The location was absolutely killer. Seriously, a stone's throw from Leicester Square and 2 tube stations, so getting around was a breeze. I loved how close we were to everything. Chinatown, Trafalgar Square, and all the West End theaters were just a short walk away. It was awesome to be right in the thick of it, with tons of restaurants and cafes nearby, but still have a quiet room thanks to the soundproofing. Plus, the rooftop bar had some incredible views that were perfect for enjoying a cocktail after a long day of exploring.
Food, drinks, and dining options.
When it comes to food, I had a fantastic experience here. The breakfast was seriously excellent with so many choices, and the views from the breakfast room were just incredible. It really set a positive tone for the day. While the hotel's rooftop restaurant is amazing for dinner and drinks with those awesome views, they don't actually serve breakfast there anymore. But honestly, with the hotel's prime location, you're literally surrounded by tons of great spots for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, so you'll never go hungry.
What's it like to stay here?
Staying here, I gotta say, the location is just unbeatable. Literally steps away from Leicester Square and the Tube, so getting around London was a piece of cake. The room itself was super clean and modern, and even though it was a bit compact, it was totally fine for me, especially with the awesome soundproofing that kept the city noise out. I loved chillin' at the rooftop bar. The views were insane, perfect for unwinding after a day of exploring. And seriously, the breakfast spread was top-notch, with a ton of choices, which really set me up for a great day.
Let's take a look at the pros and cons.
Here's what I liked about the hotel. Location is unbeatable. Seriously, being right by Leicester Square and 2 tube stations made getting around London a breeze. Awesome rooftop bar/restaurant. The views from up there were incredible, perfect for a drink after exploring. Super clean and soundproof rooms. Even though it was central, I got a great night's sleep with no city noise. Friendly and helpful staff, everyone from the front desk to the breakfast crew was super welcoming and accommodating.
Here's what I disliked about the hotel.
No TV in the room. I kinda missed having a TV to chill with after a long day of sightseeing. My overall rating for this hotel would be 8.2 out of 10. So, would I stay here again? Absolutely. Even with the tiny room and no TV, the location, the amazing rooftop, and the super friendly staff totally made up for it. This place is a gem for exploring London, and I definitely book it again for my next trip. It's just too convenient and has such a good vibe. Thanks for watching. I added links from all hotel booking providers in the description so you can find the best price for this hotel. Make sure you check out the description below.